Oh my god. This is like a duck prison. Guys, where are we? I can answer that question. Who said that? You don't have to be scared, Original Duck. My name is Invisible Duck, and I am the host of Quack. Oh my god, Invisible Duck, you're so good at making names. But I have a question. Out of all the ducks that you picked, why'd you pick all of us? The reason that I picked all of you guys is one, because you're all ducks, first of all, and two, the prize is a bunch of duck. Well, no, not duck. Bread. It's a bunch of bread, so you guys will enjoy that.
Affleck?
Huh? Oh, right. Yeah, Affleck Duck. Yeah, we're gonna have to make teams.
Affleck?
Alright. Purple Duck, you're on Affleck's team. I'll have Army Duck on my team.
Alright, if you say so, kid. Affleck? Yeah. Invisible Duck, we want Sussy Duck on our team.
Amogus. Amogus. How about Egg? Yeah, sure. Egg, get over here. Amogus? What? No, not the original duck. That's the original duck. The original duck is probably like really boring. How about Hacker Duck?
Affleck?
About time I got picked on a team. Let's choose Zombie Duck. Okay. Well, then we're taking Chicken, right, guys? Yeah. And so that leaves Original Duck being on Gamer Duck's team. So, yeah. Okay. I have another question, though. What's our first challenge gonna be? Your first challenge is to swim across the lake and back. Go. Alright, Original Duck. Don't let my team down. Among Us, Among Us, Among Us, Among Us, Among Us, Among Us. No. That leaves us with Gamer Duck's team to be up for elimination. Vote for one of the ducks to be eliminated from the show. Voting ends in 4 hours.